Yep. All right, family. My buddy Chad has just purchased him an aluminum telescoping ladder. All right, Chad, we're going to tell the people all about it because I want one of those. And so you're going to sell me on this ladder. So why did you get it?
Well, the idea is later I would like to do full-time RV traveling and stuff, and you need, where do you carry a big ladder at? This one right here is light enough and small enough I can fold up and stick it in my back seat.
Yes.
Or somewhere, or strapped to up here, and I have a ladder, so if I need to get up there, have a light out. Or recently, me and my friend Damon just resealed all of the marker lights on my Bigfoot truck camper, and we had quite a time trying to reach all of them. So this is where a telescoping ladder would come in at. A regular ladder would work, but you can't carry it. It's not mobile. And that's why a lot of RVers and stuff, I see them using this. So I was interested. I researched it, and I saw a good deal on Amazon, so I pulled the trigger on it. And
all right.
we just got it. We were heading out here. I got off of work. This was at my front door. I'm going to grab it. We're going to take it with us, and me and Rosie are going to open it and look at it.
Beautiful. Nice. Hey, do me a favor. Flip it over because all the particulars are the other way. See, all the particulars are right there, so the audience can see what we're working with.
Yeah, we have I'm not sure the exact brand of it. It was recommended by Amazon. It is a aluminum telescoping ladder, 3.8. 24 pounds is the weight of the ladder itself, but it'll hold up to 330 pounds.
Nice.
I'm a big guy, and I'm always worried about stepping on something that I shouldn't be stepping on. But here's some size parts, and it's just one piece ladder, and it telescopes and clicks up and collapses down.
Awesome. So I'll put all the information to that in the description. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this baby and see what we're working with, and see if we can, if Big Rosie wants to add that to his arsenal. Because as y'all know, the last couple of times I've camped with Chad and Damon, they have pulled out some stuff that I am totally unfamiliar with, but it's totally awesome.
All right.
Let's see what all comes in the box.
It comes in the box here. There she is.
Nice. Now, from my research, you can get those things all the way up to $300-400. But this is an Amazon recommendation.
And it was $120.
And with your discount, with the 5%, I think it was?
Well, it was a $10 coupon. I got it for $110.
Nice. $110, fam.
I figured that was affordable. I can't go all out with the $300 one. And I don't know what the difference.
But why should you?
To hold me, and it's light enough weight to carry, is what I was looking for. And I didn't want something cheap. I didn't want to go the cheapest route. I want something that had good reviews, so I always look at my reviews and check what other people say about it.
So were there cheaper options?
Yeah, they had some cheaper options.
Yeah, I'd be afraid to.
By feeling this thing, I can feel it's well made.
Yeah, I would be afraid to put this girl's figure on anything that wasn't rated for over 300 pounds.
So there she is. She looks wonderful. She feels like she's a massive
sturdy
piece of equipment there.
Whoa, yeah, that feels heavy, y'all.
Huh?
That feels stout.
Crack her open, see how she works.
All right, y'all. We're gonna put this ladder on its maiden voyage.
There's the instructions, what we never hardly use.
No, we don't ever use those unless there's a missing part. Exactly.
Flip it around this way and look at it. Now, you may lose your balance, so make sure you get the right angle, it says, I think.
Boom. All right. Just that simple, fam.
And then just 2 clicks in.
Boom. Perfect.
Okay, well, let's pick it all the way up.
Yeah.
You can pick your length. This is a 12-footer because of my camper. I figured with the tape measure that 12 foot would get me up to the top safely.
Right. So let's see where it falls out at when you put it on the side of the camper. Let's see where it touches.
Wow.
Wow, I know, right? Wow. She's up there.
All right, let's bring her around here. Is this going to be a good light outside?
Yeah, I think the lighting will be fine. Wow, that's actually too much ladder right there.
Well, I
Wow.
want it to go over so I have some type of handle
That's
when
true.
I
That's true.
step on and off of it.
That's true.
That's the safest thing. And
You want to give
I
it a
went to,
test?
went to volunteer fire school for a little while, and this was the test. Toes, arms straight out is your right angle.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Now,
Little
I
tip.
did not know that. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
The fire department says that's the angle you need on a ladder.
Now, let me ask you a question. That strap, with it being on that side, would that be a little safety? Okay, be a little safety hazard. All right.
I would definitely move that out the way. All right, now for the true test.
Yeah,
You may
buddy.
see more than you want to see right here because I may be coming down.
This may make this YouTube video real exciting, y'all. I don't see a lot of
Good. It has
flex.
a little flex to
It's a little
it.
flex.
That's
All right.
good. It's aluminum. It's made to do that.
All right.
So, there we go.
There he is, fam. There it is at the top.
And
All right. Test number 1 is a success.
I'd say it flexes a little bit more than I would like, but it's made to do that. But it gives you a little scare.
Right. Right.
At the top, it flexes more because it's smaller.
Right. Absolutely.
But
I would feel more secure using it with a couple of down, but you needed that length for the top of the.
yeah,
So what do you
Yeah.
think?
I think we should have read the instructions first on how to drop it. But
I
think
think
it's
I
pretty
think you figured it out. Yep.
pretty self-explanatory. You just gotta watch those fingers, don't get smashed.
Yes.
You hear that thing slam?
Yes, I hear that.
Don't put your hands there.
But you need the weight of it being vertical to collapse it.
Yeah. Little strap over it. Now, it seems like the strap got short.
Uh-oh, you know what? We should have, remember you threw it through there? You got to bring it back through.
Oh, there you go. See
Yep. Yep.
that?
There
Oh,
you
why
go.
is that strap not fitting?
Yeah, like how did it get shorter?
Rosie's got his eye on me.
Oh yeah, I'm watching you, baby. Together we're gonna do this. We're the 3 musketeers now.
And there you go.
Boom.
Boom. Open it up, throw it in the truck.
There it is,
Or
fam.
else you can put a 12-foot ladder in your pickup truck
Boom, there it is,
without having
family.
a ladder rack and all that.
So that can go anywhere in any size vehicle, front seat, back seat,
Yeah.
all for $100, y'all. $110.
Like that.
All right, fam. We're gonna put the description and all the information in the description box below, and I'll leave a link to that. If anybody's interested in that ladder, I'm interested in it myself. But, at my girlish weight, I did see a little bit of flex, but we're gonna continue to do reviews because we're gonna continue to camp together.
I don't know if a $300 ladder would be
Any
anything different.
I know.
Or it'd be heavier.
I
you know?
agree.
I'm happy with the compromise with the weight of this one and the sturdiness. I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot on it, but it's there when I need it.
Absolutely.
Sometimes this awning gets jammed and I can't get it back in. So if I need to get up there and work with the mechanics, how do I do that without something like this to
But
provide it?
you wouldn't extend it all the way either, though. If you're working on the awning, you would probably extend it about halfway
Right.
where you
See,
could
that was
reach it
full
comfortably.
extension there.
Full extension.
Which you don't always need that.
Right,
You know, if I
right.
just want to work on that window, recock it or something I just can't reach, half extension would be awesome. It would be sturdy,
Perfect.
where only if you have to go to the full top. And I have a ladder on the back. I can climb up to the back if I need to get on top. But if I need to get something to, like, I don't want to hang over the side to work on this light right here.
Correct.
You
Correct.
know.
All right. All right, fam. Well, y'all saw it here where this $110 ladder is going to resolve a whole lot of issues. And we'll be doing updates in the future to see if this ladder holds up to your 235-ish girlish figure.
Maybe 260. I haven't made for a
I
while.
tried to give him some credit, but he didn't take it, y'all. All right, fam. We're going to go ahead and bring this video in for a landing. And like I said, we'll do future updates to see if this ladder is all it's cracked up to be. All right, we'll tell the YouTube family bye.
Bye, y'all.
Y'all have a good one. And we will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.